Oh, hello, I'm Redbird here, and I've been here to the flea market, but hey, there's only one thing I got is this. Okay, so this thing I got doing this, and hey, I got to know as I have all the time. Wait a minute, is that the thing on my fire? I wonder what's there here. Oh yeah, I had a nothing. Wait, why are you doing this stuff? No, Redbird, because hey, it's the only one thing I gotta do. Hey, new generation figured out something out. Who's not it? I'm out of here. Bye. This is a code right here. Where is it? Cat, what are you doing here? Oh, the dog placing about something. Hey, come back here. Oh, look at that cat symbol. That's a ring. Wow. Look at all this plates. There's lots of them or something. I wonder if they're getting hot dogs. Sorry, I don't have any hot dogs. God, get up in there. Oh, gosh. Oh. Great, I don't have any hot dogs. Something of crystals. That's pretty nice. Well, I guess I go right here. Yeah. Okay. So I'm ready here. Nothing else about something. And I just chart bid and something I made and a name of somewhere. And I found in this one and nothing else like that. I'll try something else. Well, at least what I have to do sometimes. But only with everything. So just I go.